Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's preview for 8th grade global studies. As you can see, I'm decked out in my orange. We've been doing some Google Meet themes through every day during the week, and today's Mondays have been my color rush days, and today's obviously orange, so that's why I'm bright on your screen right now. But what I want to do is just kind of take you through take a look at week 14 in global studies, what you can expect for this week. So today is Monday, the 14th, and students are being introduced to something called the Amazon Hyperdoc. So we've been looking at Latin America in recent weeks, and we're focusing now on the geographical region of the Amazon. And the big thing we're trying to figure out this week is how can we both use and preserve the Amazon and what is being done for both of those sides. And students will be looking at opposing viewpoints. So that'll be kind of the focus for the week as well, is that students will have some freedom of choice to be able to zero in on two different viewpoints from their choice. But to work through all of this, we have the Amazon Hyperdoc. So the students will be completing one section each day. And during the week, beginning of each Google Meet, we will be reviewing the section from the day before. So that'll be a very good benefit to those who come to the Google Meet. The actual graded assignment won't be until the end of the week. And it's a choice assignment. So students will have two different choices of how they want to show their learning. And I'll go over that in just a second here. But I want to show you the Amazon Hyperdoc. This is what it looks like. So section 1 has students gathering some general information and arguments for why save the Amazon and why use it. And there are 4 different resources here. 3 of them are located in the week 14 Schoology folder. And as you can see, this is the activity for Monday. Okay, so this will, in order for students to be on time and on track, this should be done by Monday. Tuesday, we're going to actually break a little bit from the curriculum and focus more on the skill of a discussion. So how to discuss something, as that is our outcome for this week, is I want students to be able to discuss how to preserve and use the Amazon. Now, in order to discuss something, you have to first know about it. So Monday was gathering some general information. Tuesday is going to be all about practicing the conversation. Because we're not in the classroom, we can't really have a large group in-depth conversation that I would have liked to. So students will actually be, for their assignment, one of the options is to create a mock conversation or mock debate between people on opposing view sides concerning the issue of preserving and using the Amazon. But for Tuesday, I'm going to have students pick any subject they want. Anything. Doesn't have to be anything related to school, but they're going to practice creating a dialogue or a conversation between two people with opposing viewpoints about a topic of their choice. This is going to be an important day because it'll help practice for what the students are going to be doing coming up. Wednesday, they will start actually diving into the opposing viewpoints for the Amazon rainforest. So this is where some choice takes place. They can choose one of the 2 blue options and one of the 4 red options. These come from the TCI textbook online. They will choose one section from each color or each side to read about and take notes on to prepare themselves for their actual assignment. So Thursday and Friday is when the students have time to work on the choice assignment. So they have 2 different options. The first option is to create an opposing viewpoints conversation like they practiced on Tuesday this week. The other option is more artistic, where students can create Amazon perspective posters. So again, they're referring back to the two opposing viewpoints they chose on Wednesday, but instead of doing a conversation, they will create a poster for each side that has information and the viewpoints and their arguments. So in that way, I can see that students were able to articulate through more visual means the 2 opposing viewpoints. And that is what you can expect for this week. So each day, the students will have an assignment to do, something to complete. It is on one document. Okay, so if you want to check up on your students' progress, it'd be a great idea to have them show you this document, and you can see for each day what is assigned.